Hello, I'm Deanna Impas. I'm here today to discuss to you all about source transformation. Ta-da! Source transformation. When we say source transformation, it is simplifying a circuit solution, especially with mixed sources, by transforming a voltage into a current source or vice versa. So how do we perform source transformation? So in performing source transformation, it consists of also to take an existing voltage source in a series with a resistance and replace it with a current source in parallel with the same resistance times the amount of the current through it, or generally known as V is equals to IR formula. So this is an example of source transformation problem. As you can see, we have a given of 5 volts, 5k ohms, a known of Ix, 47k ohms, 1 milliampere, and a known of It. So we now know our givens and the unknowns. We can now solve using source transformation method in this problem. So we must simplify this circuit diagram. So in order in simplifying, the rules in solving for source transformation method is that when the resistor is parallel with the current, we must use V is equals to IR, wherein we must times this resistor to this current, and then the resistor will be in series in this circuit diagram. So let me redraw it. So in order to find Ix, we must use KVL, or the Kirchhoff's voltage law. So this is our loop 1. So our loop 1 is negative 5 volts since it enters to 5 volt negative. Its sign will be negative. So negative 5 volts. Then it enters to 5k ohms and enter to positive 47k ohms, then also entered into 47 volts, equated to 0. So simplifying this, we will now get 52,000 I equal negative 42 divided using FX991 MS. We will now input our data. So negative 42 divided by 52,000. The answer is Ix is equals to negative 8.0708, round off, times 10 negative 0.4. Since we're looking for IT, we can now get the we can now solve for IT because we're now given of Ix plus the given of I in this circuit diagram. So negative 8.08 times 10 raised to negative 4 plus 1 times 10 negative 3 amperes, forgot. Then IT using again 99199 ms, negative 8.08 times negative raised to negative 4 plus 1 times e raised to negative 3 is equals to 1.92 times 10 raised to negative 4 amperes. So there we go. We now have the value of IT. So thank you for watching.